Sung, 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 sung.
Ai, wow, sweetie, that was a sweetie.
Your time is up. My time is now. You can't see me. My time is now. It's the franchise doing big business. Let's say we have it tonight, folks. It's John Cena, the current WWE champion, versus Edge in remote control wrestling, and it's Edge's side. It's Randy Orton. There it is, the referee giving out the sign. John Cena got Edge in a headlock. What are you gonna do? Oh, I just break up. Oh, hit John Cena in a groin, and what's this? Edge with a suplex? No. Oh, Edge just tossed Cena over, JR. Cena doesn't know how to move anymore. He just grabbed his leg and the Boston move, and he just Cena's suffering, but he grabbed the ropes. Referee won. And I didn't let him go. 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, Edge let go. Now Cena is getting up. Cena, with the left pump, the right punch, the shoulder. Oh, Edge is on the ground. What's this? What's Cena gonna do? He's getting it up. Irish whipping. The same thing, guys, down to Cena. Let's go, Cena. Now, Cena, what's he gonna do? The five-knuckle shuffle, G.I. The five-knuckle shuffle, dude. Oh, God. How would Edge survive that? Now, Edge. John Cena trying to get up Edge for the the hit to the groin. What's this? Referee is looking tightly. Randy Orton. Hand me a chair. Got it. Man, you gotta respect the referee. What? Hey, what the hell's going on here? Here you go, here's the chair. Come on, Cena. Get up, Cena. Get up. What's this? Oh my God, JR, Cena just stopped the chair, kicking Edge. And he just kicked Edge in the head with a chair. Now we're ready for the referee. Randy Orton staying amazed. What's this? The referee's coming in. John Cena lifting Edge. Oh my God, JR, it's the FU. It's the FU. One, two. Oh no!